Hi, my name is Athena Fan. I'm an ABA Center for Innovation Fellow, and I'm here to talk about adapting design thinking in a legal hackathon. So raise your hand if you ever participated in a legal hackathon. Keep your hand raised if you ever won an award. Okay, stop showing off now. So you may wonder, what is a legal hackathon? It is an event where technologists and lawyers may gather together to come up with legal solution to a legal problem. Because the nature of legal hackathon is mirrored after engineering hackathons, the focus is often on the innovation. What is the coolest, newest, baddest technology that the teams can come up with to resolve the legal issue they want to focus on? And the nature of hackathons is a very condensed time period, usually may occur over a few hours or over a few days. So oftentimes teams are really focused on being rushed and really quickly getting to a good solution or a great product. And that's right. I mean, usually depends on the hackathon. The product is what usually, quote unquote, wins in the hackathon. But I argue that in legal hackathon, it's important for teams to step back and focus on the users. So, and why focus on the users? Because what is the point of a product if the product doesn't really resolve the issues that the potential users will face? So in my recent participation as part of the team at the Global Legal Hackathon, I suggested to my team that, hey, let's use design thinking process. Let's focus on the users to design our product in the competition. And of course, surprise, the team was 100% totally opposed, and this was literally their expression on their face. So then I was like, hey guys, we can have the coolest technology, but if the users can't really benefit from the solution, what's the point? We need to really focus on what are the pain points in the user's interaction with the core system to resolve their issue. So we went to the drawing board, and we started thinking about what kind of users we want to focus on. And we decided we want to help domestic violence victims in filing restraining orders. And we went to the drawing board and started using process mapping and design thinking. Mainly, we focused on the empathy and also the design stage. We literally drawed out each step that domestic violence victim would go through in attempting to file restraining orders, and really also talk to two clients that some of the team members had previously. So we wanted to really focus on their experience. And because the nature of the hackathon is very rushed, I advocate that the minimum that any team should go through is focus on the empathy stage in the design thinking process, and adapt it in the legal hackathon. And it was a great way to think about the problem because it really brought the team together. So even though we came from diverse backgrounds, diverse thinking, and diverse experience, some of us were programmers, some of us were lawyers, we had a meeting of the minds to think from the user perspective, and in this case, domestic violence victims' perspective. And we really, after that, we went through the design thinking phase. We started programming and really focusing on the solution. And our solution was called A2J.ai. It is an AI-empowered document automation tool that walks the domestic violence victim through each step of the filing process. And again, this design thinking process, at least being able to put yourself in the shoes of the user, using the empathy stage is most important in any solution designing process. And again, my name is Athena Fan. Here's my contact, my Twitter handle. I would be happy to chat with you about our project and also about the design thinking process. Thank you.